Hey guys, Gerald from Oneupreviewz, and today we've got a sneaker review and unboxing of the PUMA X-RAY 2 Square. Before we get into this review guys, if you're new to our channel, remember to hit that subscribe button, hit that notifications bell so you never miss any of our latest reviews. Slap that thumbs up, we want to see those likes, it helps with the algorithms. And drop some love in the comment section below. We try our best to reply to every single comment thrown out our way. As always, I just want to take this time to thank all our subscribers, new and old. Without you guys, we aren't able to do this, so thank you. Let's get into it. So today, we've got a look at the PUMA soft foam. Actually, it's not, well, it is. Soft foam technologies are in here, which I'll get into once I do the unboxing. But we've got a look at the PUMA X-RAY 2 Square, and we've got this in the black, yellow, blue colorway. And we've got this in a European size 41. It's a US 8.5, but more importantly, it's a UK 7.5. And let's go unboxing. So this, here it is, look at that. It's Puma's. So they've taken a page out of the early 2000s with the original PUMA X-RAY. And you know, you've got that chunky dad sneaker vibes, which Puma are really going towards for their sneakerhead customer. And what's great is that you can see in a lot of their silhouettes. We've seen it with the RSX, and what they've done is they've implemented all that technology, all that aesthetic, you know, the chunky look, the simplicity of their logos here, and they've incorporated it in their basketball sneakers. But we've done sneaker reviews for the Puma basketball shoes. We've done a lot of Puma, so check out that playlist if you are ever interested. But today we're sticking to the Puma X-RAY 2 Square. So let's start with this outsole. So this outsole is an all rubber outsole. You've got a lot of traction patterning here, and you've got the fluorescent yellow, black, the Puma logo is just at the bottom here. Moving along onto the midsole unit. So this is Puma's NEVA. Hope I pronounced that right. But that is essentially Puma's midsoles, and they're all made out of, well, it's just EVA really. It's there for your cushioning, it's there for your support. Moving along onto the upper, so you've got an array of materials used here. All synthetic materials. You've got a lot of textiles, you've got loads of synthetic leathers, so you can see it here at the toe box where the mud guard is, the synthetic leathers, and the mesh just underneath. And it complements it so well. I think the black, the yellow, that little hits of white and grey. Looking along onto the medial side, oh forgive me, it's the lateral side. You've got the simple, I mean, you wouldn't really know unless you're a proper Puma freak or Puma fan, but you've got the Puma stripe logo there. Puma branding just above it. Again, these materials are all synthetic leathers, and it's the same action, same kind of patterning that's involved in the medial side. We look again to this little hits of blue plastic around here. At the heel unit, so you've got pull tab, as I mentioned, the synthetic leathers, Puma logo. We look at the lace enclosure, so it's this typical lace enclosure. The tongue with the Puma logo, nicely padded, great. And what is fun, I do like just pressing on this. So this uses Puma's soft foam insole, and it's just for your comfort. And if I'm having so much fun just pressing it with this little keychain here, you're gonna love it for your under feet right there, just showing in the midsole. Oh, forgive me, it's in the insole. So I'm really excited to try these on. We do a lot of the dad kind of sneaker vibes here at Oneupreviewz, but I think this is one of my favorites. Just reminds me of the RSX, and those were really comfy as well. So if anything, with this soft foam insole, I'm really excited to just embrace the comfort. So roll that footage of me trying these on. For the fit, guys, I recommend that you get your true to size Puma fit. I'm a UK size 7.5 and these are a great fit. My toes are where they need them to be. This is the first time of me trying the soft foam insole and I'm a big fan. These are really comfy, lovely if I'm having a huge trek, I guess, in the city and I'm going to be walking for hours. I recommend using these if you're hitting the roads. And yeah, I'm thoroughly impressed. Well done, Puma. Thanks guys for watching. Remember to like, comment and subscribe. Follow us at Oneupreviewz with a Z at the end. That's on the Instagram account. And until next time, peace.